everyone, this is Luc from Polaroid Passion, and as promised on my social network, we are going to unbox the new format from Polaroid, the Polaroid GO. So I received the package on Tuesday, quite fast actually, and I opened the overall package, but I didn't open the camera and the film. So this is how I received it. It's so tiny. So this is the package of the camera, and this is the package for the twin pack of 8 photos film. So big moment, now we are going to open this. Where is the cutter? Oh my god. C'est tout petit. It's so tiny, my gosh. This is the camera. Okay, I'm a big one because I'm 2 meters tall and I'm 190 kilos. So I'm a big one, but this one is very, very little. So in the box we have oh, that's new. We have some stickers, emoji stickers apparently. We have a quick start guide in different languages. What else do we have? Some special safety information. Okay. So this is something to handle the camera around the wrists, and this is the power cable, USB and micro USB. Okay. So let's open the film package. So as the regular one, you have the production date here. Okay. How do we open this? Okay, well, it's exactly like this big one, just it's a small one. But compared to a regular Polaroid cartridge, it's quite small. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's so fucking little, my god. It's just like the normal one, but it's very, very, very tiny. And inside the package you have also, again, some stickers. Oh, in fact, it's a double tape sticker like that. You can glue the small Go Polaroid on the wall or wherever you want. Okay. Let's open the plastic bag. Wow. Yeah, this is really tiny. So the power button is here. The flash button, you can activate or deactivate it. That's good. And you will see in the user manual you can make double exposure as well, which is nice. So the power source is here. Wow. Let's try to... Oh! So inside the camera you see it's a regular Polaroid process with a mirror to adjust to the image. So we have to put this like that, I think. Nope, this side maybe. Well, well, well. No. Well, to make the arrow align. just like the Big Brother, you know, we have the little dark slides. So let's take a picture. There is the little screen to inform you on how much photos remain, and a little dot for the flash to say if the flash is ready or not, activated or not activated. Okay. So I'm gonna take a selfie. Actually, the good thing is you do not see it. You don't see it very well, but the viewfinder here, it's just like a small mirror. So actually, you can take a selfie quite easily because you see your face in this little mirror. Okay. So I confirm it. It's a very, very small Polaroid. Oh, interesting thing is that on the back of the picture, it's completely different from the regular format. Actually, the little inscription and there is a serial number, and yeah, it's different. We're going to compare from different size family of Polaroid. So this is an old box 600. This is the one step plus, sorry. And the Polaroid now. So you can see it's really, really smaller. And for a big leap, this is my 8x10 camera. I used to shoot Polaroid with it. And this is a real big thing. My gosh. I'm just going to try to make a photo with this one because I have no picture. Voila. So this is the normal size, the regular Polaroid size, 600 and S670, and this is the new Go. You can see it's really small. And I made yesterday. I tried to take picture with my Instax square. So this is the Polaroid GO, and this is the Instax square. You can see there is nothing on the picture because I failed it anyway, but you can see the difference. So the Polaroid GO is even smaller than the Instax square, which means that it's a bit smaller than the Instax mini as well. The width is certainly the same, but not the height. Actually, here it's 53.6 millimeters. The regular one is 88 millimeters, and this is 71 millimeters. So you can have difference between all the format. And for last comparison, this is my Instax Square SQ10, which used the Instax Square format, and this is the Polaroid GO, the new Polaroid GO. Actually, this one is even smaller than the Instax Square, which is quite nice. Voila, let's say it's almost finished. So we'll see, but I'm going to try to take some pictures outside, and I will see how it goes. But frankly, I'm quite enthusiastic because it's an important thing that Polaroid continues to develop new things, because actually it means they want to continue on film production, which for us is quite important to be able to shoot our 600 or A670, and even for me particularly 8x10. So that's great, Polaroid. Thank you for this new thing, and what can I say? Good luck, and I hope this new format will be a blast. Voila, see you guys, and I hope this video you enjoyed it.